sure what's in here.
It's making an awful
Well,
racket.
we think it's a bunny because there's been a bunny hanging out in the yard.
And it was just squawking.
And it was making a heck of a racket.
We're hoping it's a bunny and not a squirrel.
Yeah. Lord knows I don't want to be attacked.
Me either. Alright. Something's in there, though.
Yep.
And it was going, wee, wee, wee.
I don't know how I'm going to get that off.
Well,
It's gonna...
yeah, you're just going to have to pull it down. Move that out, yeah. Oh. Getting a new fingers. Oh, yeah. Something's not liking that. I just can't understand why it can't curl out. Just stuck. Just try pulling it down. There you go. Wiggle it. What do we got in here? Oh, my goodness. Oh, it's a bunny.
It's
a baby bunny. Where's your mama? Come on, mama.
Baby bunny. It just went under the, under here.
Oh, really? There must be a hole. I don't see any hole, though. How did it go under?
Well, it went under here.
Yeah, but how? Because it's, like, long gone right now. It's not in there, is it? I hope I got it. It ran this way. It jumped back over this way. I can't see it anywhere. It's not in the air conditioner, I should hope.
It's probably squeezed underneath it.
Squeezed under where? Lift up the drain pipe thing.
It is. It's underneath.
Can you lift this thing up?
It's not under here, huh?
Oh. Where the heck did it go? How did it get under the air conditioner?
There's space under there, and it's just hiding.
Wow. Poor little baby bunny stuck in the gutter. I don't know.